Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I wouldn't normally show just a walk like this, but these bridges are pretty cool. This is the new Turcot Interchange, and I'm on Pullman Street. You can just walk up here, and you get some interesting views of a new multi-level highway that Quebec and Montreal have been working on for the last 5 years or so. And what's cool is this brand new bridge here on St. Jacques Street. It's a cable stay bridge. There's the center spire. It's pretty high. It's really cool. The train tracks aren't that far. I was up there before trying to film some trains on Pullman Street. It's a brand new bridge. And I figured I'd just walk this little section just to give you an idea of, if you live in Quebec, what your tax dollars have been buying you for the last 5 years of construction on this project. And this opened not long ago. And there's no one here, so I figured, what the hell. Here's another really good view of the bridge, and then I'll get a better view probably. Here's a ramp. It goes up there. I'm trying to get over down to maybe what do you call it, St. Ambroise Street or something, or that other street there that's closer. Anyways, I figured I'd come here, film a little bit, because it's probably faster to film it than to find vantage points of where I could take the pictures. Unfortunately, I'm in the sun here, but I wanted to go back and see what I could find here. A little further maybe, and I can get the bridge. And that's the St. Jacques Bridge. Alright, I'm just going to keep walking up here. The hospital is not that far. The super hospital is just at the top of this tiered, looks like a cake almost. It's a tiered kind of wall, retaining wall. You just see the tops of the 6-story buildings of the hospital, and there you can see downtown Montreal right in there. And I'm just gonna keep walking along here and see what I can find. There's a ramp right there. It's all pretty much brand new to me. I've never walked down this sidewalk before, so I really don't know where I can go from here. I've walked on the other side, this side here before, but not this side. Looks like a little bit of ice here, so I'm gonna go slow over it. I guess this is a part that doesn't get very much sunlight. There's another ramp. And the sun is slow, so it's gonna kind of ruin it, but here you go. Let's keep walking up here. And try and find an intersection that I can just duck under the highway here. And it's going to be all the way up there. That looks like it. Yeah, and people have already started drawing graffiti on this cake. Huh. Can't really read it right now, but I'll go back later and have a look. Yeah. Alright, doesn't look like there's much more to that freeway, so if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. And yeah, I know this is not trains, but whatever. This is interesting to me. Have a good day.